Everyone, welcome to the new lecture on the subject of marketing management special paper 3. In this lecture we are going to discuss the topic of distribution management. In this topic we are going to focus on the concept of distribution and logistic. So these two terms, first we have to understand what is meant by distribution, and then we have to understand what is meant by logistic. So let's start with discussing about distribution management. So distribution management refers to the process of overseeing the movement of goods from the supplier or manufacturer to point of sale. So in this first sentence we can understand the basic meaning of the word distribution, or even you can search the word in the dictionary. So if you see the meaning of the word distribution, you will find that distribution means the process of moving the goods from the supplier or manufacturer to the point of sale. So when goods are manufactured by a company, distribution means supplying those goods or sending those goods from the point of manufacturing to the point where it is sold. It is inclusive term that refers to numerous activities and processes. So distribution include various activities such as packaging, inventory, warehousing, supply chain and logistics. So in the first paragraph you can understand that distribution is about providing the goods or sending the goods from manufacturer to the point of sale, and it also include packaging of goods, storage, that is inventory and warehousing of goods, supplying or creating a chain of supply and logistic. Let's see the second paragraph. Distribution management is critical to a company's ability to successfully attract customers and operate profitably. So when you implement distribution management successfully, what will happen? It will attract the customers towards your products and services, and it will give good profits to the business. Executing it successfully requires effective management of the entire distribution process. And to attract customer and to make good profit, you will have to execute the process of distribution very effectively. Let's see the third paragraph. Distribution management manages the supply chain for a firm, from vendors and suppliers to manufacturers to point of sale, including packaging, inventory, warehousing and logistic. So in the third paragraph, again we are trying to conclude here about what is distribution management. So it is nothing but supplying the goods from where they are manufactured to the point of sale, and while doing this we have to perform other activities such as packaging, inventory, warehousing and logistics. Now let's see what is meant by logistics. Logistics refer to the overall process of managing how resources are acquired, stored and transported to their final destination. Now we can say logistic is part of distribution, and logistic, the term specifically means how the resources are acquired, stored, transported to their final destination. The term is now widely used in the business sector, particularly by companies in the manufacturing sectors, to refer to how resources are handled and moved along the supply chain. Let's see what is the difference between distribution and logistic, so you will understand it more clearly. A key difference between logistics and distribution is that logistics relates to the overall planning and organization around the movement, storage, and inventory control of goods, whereas distribution is more related to the actual physical placement of the goods. So here we can say that logistic is the full process starting from the planning and then organizing the movement, storage, and inventory control of the goods. So under logistic you have to plan how the goods will move. Similarly, you have to see where you will store them, how you will manage the stock. All these things are part of logistic, and distribution is more about physical placement of the goods, that is delivery or distribution. Let's see definition for the term logistic. The Council of Supply Chain Management Professionals US defines logistic as it is a part of supply chain management that plans, implements, and controls the efficient, effective forward and reverse flow and storage of goods and services and related information between the point of origin and the point of consumption in order to meet customers' requirement. So in this definition, we can clearly understand what the term logistic is. So in the second line you can see they have mentioned that it is a part of supply chain, and here the logistic basically means to control forward and reverse flow as well as storage of goods and services between 2 points. The first is point of origin, that is place where they are manufactured, and the point of consumption, that is where it reaches in the hand of customer. Second definition, logistic is customer oriented operations management. This would then include all the function required for distribution of goods. So here in these two definition, again we can understand that logistic is part of supply chain and it includes planning and implementing the forward and reverse flow of goods from the point of origin to the point of consumption. Here in this diagram, again we can understand more better about the term logistic. So if you see the supply chain, how it works, first is the supply of raw material. Every industry or every manufacturer, to manufacture any product, first he needs raw material. The raw material is then purchased by the manufacturer. Manufacturer processes the raw material and then he creates a finished product or a final product. Then that product is given to the distributors, that is number 3. The job of distributor is to supply that product to the wholesalers. These wholesalers then they purchase in large quantities from the distributors. Then the wholesaler gives or sells, provides the products to the retailers who purchases in small quantities. Retailers are the shops where we go and buy those products, that is we are the end users or the customers, and finally the product reaches the customer from the retailers. So in this diagram we can clearly understand how supply chain works, right from purchasing raw material as a manufacturer, then distributing to the wholesaler, wholesaler giving it to the retailer, and then retailer selling it to the final users. So in this way the distribution management and logistic is undertaken by the businesses. I am sure you must have understood what is logistic and what is distribution. Thank you.